My name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Jonawoon store on Amazon. It comes with 2 wig caps, a thank you note, and fake tattoos. This wig is straight Brazilian virgin hair, 20 inches, 180% density, and a 13x4 HD transparent lace front. The hair feels soft, silky, and is bouncy. I also didn't get much shedding as I ran my fingers through it. However, the hair does seem thin and a little stringy looking, especially towards the ends. And the hair does have a slight chemical and perfumey smell. The wig also has some brown streaks of hair throughout it. Again, this is a 13x4 HD transparent lace front. The wig is medium sized, around 22 inches. And on the inside of it, you have 4 combs and adjustable straps at the back of the wig. And now I'm going to straighten the hair using my flat iron on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just realized I had it upside down. So the wig did straighten well and the hair has some movement to it, but it is a bit staticky. And this is a close-up look at the wig's hairline. And the hair did shed a bit as I was straightening it. Since I didn't bleach the knots, I used this powder Maybelline Fit Me foundation, color 360, and a large makeup brush to apply the foundation to the lace on the inside of the wig. I only put the foundation where I was going to part the wig, which in this case was the side part. Then I put on my wig cap and the wig and positioned it to my liking using the combs and straps. And the wig fit nicely. It didn't feel too tight. To glue the wig down, I used Got2b Ultra Glue Gel. I only used a little bit because I usually keep my wigs on for a day at the most. I also used the Got2b Glued Spray. I just sprayed some on my fingers and put it on my lace and forehead. And I used the end of my comb to really get the lace to lay down. Then I used the foundation again and a small brush to apply the foundation around the front of the lace and match it better to my skin tone. I created my part and decided that it needed some plucking. I normally don't pluck my wigs, but I'm trying to get better at making my wigs look more natural. So I used my tweezers to make the part look a little wider. I used the foundation again and put it on my part to make the part look a little better. I also used this Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade and my edge brush to create baby hairs. Now, you can cut the hairs if you want. I just normally don't. And then I tried to tame the small flyaway pieces of hair that were sticking up using this She Is Balm hair wax stick. The left side of the wig wasn't getting as flat as I wanted either. It was also more hair on that side of the part. So I used this hot comb to apply more heat to the hair and see if I could get it to lay flatter. After that, I tied the wig down with a scarf. And this is how the hair turned out. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look that good either. So at first glance, it looks kind of natural, but it's too thin. And the part looks okay. I think putting the hair behind my ear on the left side makes the style look a little better. The hair and the ends are too thin, and if you're not combing the hair out often, it begins to look stringy. The back of the hair looks better than the sides though, once all the hair is pushed to the back. But the hair does have a nice shine to it. Let me know what you thought of the wig and if you'd wear it. And keep in mind, I have done a lot of wigs, but I'm still learning how to really make them look good. I'm better with braids, faux locks, styles like that. Also, let me know what other videos and hairstyles you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.